Have you ever pondered on the possibility of making money with PayUp? It's a question that lingers in the minds of many, and today we delve into the ins and outs of this fascinating opportunity. Picture this, a platform that enables you to earn money with a few simple steps. Welcome to the world of PayUp, where making money has been simplified and made more accessible than ever before. The first step to making money with PayUp is to create an account. This process is straightforward and user-friendly. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself. Think of it as a virtual handshake, an introduction to the community that you're about to join. Once you have an account, the next step is to find a task that suits your skills and preferences. There are a plethora of tasks available, ranging from writing and graphic design to data entry and customer service. The power is in your hands to choose a task that you're confident in completing. With a task selected, it's time to put your skills to the test. Complete the task to the best of your ability. Remember, quality is key here. The better your work, the more likely you are to receive positive reviews, which can lead to more tasks in the future. Upon completion of the task, submit your work for review. Once approved, the payment for your task will be released. The beauty of PayUp is that it allows for the secure transfer of funds, providing peace of mind and a hassle-free method of receiving your hard-earned money. In summary, making money with PayUp is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, set up your account. Second, find and complete a task that matches your skills. And third, submit your work and get paid. Remember, the key to success on PayUp is providing quality work and building a positive reputation within the community. So, what are you waiting for? An opportunity to make money with PayUp is just a few clicks away. Embrace the simplicity, the convenience, and the opportunity that PayUp presents. This is your chance to transform your skills into earnings. Your journey to making money with PayUp starts now.